This video is going to go over how you place the lunch orders online using Ingwa's Boonli. Please note that Ingwa does offer breakfast, but breakfast does not need to be pre-ordered as opposed to lunches, which do. So from Ingwa's Boonli page, we're going to go ahead and log in with your username and password. And then it'll pop up with some program information. Please, if this is the first time that you've placed orders, read through this information, and also on the Ingwa Academy page you can find a free meal ordering guidelines and acknowledgement that we ask you read through that Google form. It has very similar information to this page, and sign that so we can be sure parents are really taking the time to understand some of the new procedures around free school meals. So with that read over, we're going to go to order, and you might have a box that pops up that wants you to agree to Boonli's terms. Go ahead and click that box and click submit. There are also additional details available by clicking other links in that box if you want to read through all of the specific terms. Now we're at the ordering process. So this shows you the months of the calendar, and as we're currently in August, we can only place lunch orders for August and September. So I'm going to go ahead and click this box, which will bring us to our menu. This is set up in a calendar view. A couple of important things to note. Up in the top left over here, you'll see various profiles. So if you have multiple students at Ingwa, you'll be able to switch between their profiles by clicking these buttons. So for this example, I have Happy set up as a kindergartner and Joy set up as a 4th grade student. This becomes relevant in just a minute. So you can see on the calendar what's offered for lunch every day. And on any days that there is a red exclamation point, this is a notification. So because I'm in Happy's profile, and Happy is a kindergartner, and kindergartners don't have class on August 30th, you'll see this red circle with a line through it, and the notification that if you hover over it will tell you why you can't order. I can't click on anything and select it just as I can for the other days. If you want to go by day and select what meals you want for your student, you can go ahead and click what options you want, such as, yep, we want Greek nachos. And once you click it, you'll get this little green check mark, which means that that item is in your cart. You can always select the X to take something out of your cart. Please note that a la carte items, such as milk only, where you're not getting milk with a meal as part of the combo, milk only, extra slices of pizza, and smoothies are all a la carte items and will not be free like the standard combination lunch that students are served. One of the new features for Boonli this year is the quick pick lunch. So you can go ahead and select this and then click on the star, and it will give you ordering options. So if you know that you want your student to have school lunch every single day that there is school, you can hit select all, and it will place an order for school lunch in your cart for every single day that there is school in this ordering period. So as you can see, if you scroll, you can see individual days. You can also, if you know there are certain weekdays that you want your student to have school lunch, pick those specific days, like every Monday, every Wednesday. When you're doing this, we ask that you look carefully about any days that your student might be absent due to family events or appointments, and unselect those days to try and help us reduce meals that we don't get reimbursed for and reduce our food waste. Once you've selected the days that you want for in this quick pick menu, you need to be sure that you hit save. If you don't hit save, it won't be added to your cart. So we're going to click save. And then you can see that the number of items in our cart up in this top right corner have increased. Now I'm going to flip on over to my other profile for the 4th grader, and I'm going to go over to the September menu. One of the things with the quick pick lunch option is that it won't show you in the cart or in that pull-out menu that you saw when you click the star. It won't show you what that meal is every day. So please also take the time to sit down with your student and talk about what things they might want to try or might not want to eat, again, so that we can be sure that we're reducing our waste and our students aren't being hungry throughout the day. So for my other student, I'm going to go in and select some options. And please note that if you click too fast, the system doesn't keep up. You want to make sure that wherever you're clicking, you're looking for that green check mark to follow. Once you are done selecting all of the options that you would like, and just to throw this out there, smoothies will be served on Wednesdays, so you'll see that only as an option on Wednesdays if you want to add that to your cart. Then once you're done, you can either click on our little cart icon up here or click on View Cart on the right side. This will show you everything that you have put in your cart on this right side option, and then you can scroll down to go to cart, or you can click that top right icon. Once we've clicked that, it'll give you the chance to review all of the days that you are wanting to place orders for both of your profiles. And again, please note that if you use the Quick Pick Lunch, it won't show you in this view what the entrees are for each lunch, as opposed to, if you look at this other profile, where you specifically individually clicked meals. If you then, on this right side, if you've looked that over and it's all set up, you'll want to click confirm if you're just getting lunches and there's no additional a la carte items. If you have put a la carte items in your cart, you'll see that this button will change to work you through the payment process. I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm. It'll then go ahead and show you that your order has been confirmed, and you'll receive a receipt via email shortly. Please note that if you don't get an email confirmation, your order hasn't gone through, and we also recommend that you go up to this print orders in calendar. This provides an additional view that will show you month by month what you ordered for each of your students. So we can see that for Happy, I did that Quick Pick Lunch for every single day. Again, it won't show you what the entree is, and you can see the days that for Joy, we selected individual meals as part of that. If there are any days that you seem to be missing, you can still go ahead, go back in through Boonli, and add any days you might be missing.